How to get Duolingo Max. First things first, you have to go ahead and try to use the updated version of Duolingo. Just head directly to your Google Play Store and then just search for Duolingo here. And then make sure that you're currently running the latest version of Duolingo language lesson. Want to make sure, just simply access the app and ensure that you are logged into your account. Now you need to have at least one or even two specific course, which is going to be a language that you would like to learn. Now, before you can go ahead and try to use the Duolingo Max, you need to use or have an experience with Duolingo Super first. So just simply tap on your current diamond at the top portion of your screen, and in here, you need to try and use the Duolingo Super. Now, right now, I'm currently on a default on my country language. So before you can get the Duolingo Max, you need to have an experience with the Duolingo Super for at least a month. Now after that, you just have to go back to the same page, and then you should be able to check out or have a vision of the Duolingo Max. And that's it. That's how you get Duolingo Max.